Another independent walk-around brought to you by livecars.com.
2013 Chevy Traverse. We're going to start on the driver's side. Nice white pearl tri-coat paint. We do have good tread left on these tires. Nice set of Michelins. Just going to look up and down the panels for any signs of dents, dings, scratches. A little bit of a paint chip there. Really nice set of step assists. Come around to the back here. This is an all-wheel drive model. At the rear, we're always looking for signs of chipping and scraping at the entry point. Pretty common wear and tear spot there on an SUV. And one little ding there. Overall, exterior looks good. Just a few little cosmetic scratches. Looking at the interior now, you do have full power for the driver's seat. Nice ash gray leather seating surface. 94,917 is your current mileage. This model does have navigation, satellite radio, dual climate control, heated leather seats up front, and then a nice black wood grain trim. All your flooring is going to be gray. Looking in the second row, this model does have a bench seat. Nice seating surfaces, carpets look good. You do have rear air controls and then your auxiliary ports here for your rear seat entertainment. Looking now at the entry to the third row. Third row looks like it's in really good shape. Very little signs of any use at all back here. Taking a look in the cargo area, you do have a nice storage compartment here, and then these back seats will lay down. Very easy, one hand operation. One more look from the passenger side. Now you do have a nice panoramic roof in the back seat as well as the front. We'll finish up in the front passenger seat. You do have full power for the passenger as well as the driver. One more look around the back, and that'll wrap up your Chevy Traverse.